Hey guys, welcome back to Our Vision Farm. It is a rainy day here today. It is the afternoon. It's been a month since we've planted a couple things in the back of the woods. So we decided to go back there and check on the progress of everything that we planted back there. We planted sugarcane, elephant ears, and a couple seeds. So we're gonna see if anything has sprouted yet. We just now started getting rain. Our rainy season started pretty late this summer, so I don't know if any of the seeds have sprouted yet. They probably are just now starting to germinate with the rain that we've been getting, because when we first planted it, it didn't really rain a couple weeks after that. So we'll see how everything, we also planted some papayas too. So we'll see how everything is growing and if any of our seeds have germinated. All right, so we're back here now. From what I can remember, we planted birdhouse gourds, cucumbers. Do you remember the seeds that you planted? Pumpkins, maybe a watermelon packet we planted back here. So I'm looking to see, let me check the progress on the papayas while we search for some seeds. Here's our papayas that we planted. They have grown a bit since we planted them. They're still pretty small. And they look like they're trying to lean out there towards the sunlight. But those are doing really good. Let's see if we can find any of the seeds. I know we threw some, scattered some around here. And I scattered some along the edges over there. But ever since we planted this stuff, we haven't been back here to check on it. You see anything? So no seeds over here. Let me check on the ones I planted towards this side. If you're newer to our channel, this is the back of our property. It's a wooded area. It hasn't been cleared out and it's very thick. The parts that we're walking in right now, we actually had when we used to have our cow, and we fenced in the sheep back here to eat all of this down. So that is why it's clear enough for us to walk through a little bit. But most of it is really thick and you can't really walk through it. So I had planted some seeds. I threw them in here. I don't see anything going on. This is one of our sugar canes. Looks like it's gotten bigger since we planted it. I don't see any of my birdhouse gourd seeds that I threw. So far papaya and the sugar cane. We planted a couple more sugar cane and our elephant ears, so we'll check on that. Here is our second sugar cane, the one that had the zinnia attached to it. Kind of looks like the sugar cane died though. This sugar cane died off. The roots of it might still be alive, but the zinnia is still going strong. Yeah, the zinnia took over. And I see the other sugar cane. That one has really blown up, but there's mud there, isn't there? Yeah. I might have to go around the other way. Yeah, is it too muddy? All right. Yeah, that one has gone big. That one likes that spot. This will kind of help us figure out in the future if we want to plant more of this stuff, you know, the good spots. So that is another sugarcane plant. Looks really big compared to how when we planted it. So that was the 3 sugar canes, and then we had 2 elephant ears back here. Oh wow. The elephant ears definitely like it back here. So it's been about a month, like I said, since we planted these back here. I'll link the video from when we first planted it so you can see how small they were. And this is the growth in 1 month. So there's one. And there's the second one. That one's really big. Also, it looks like it's reaching for the sunlight. Look how big the leaf is compared to my hand. And it's really... Huh? Yeah, these are the edible elephant ears, so you can actually eat the roots. Can you eat the leaves? I don't know, if you're gonna have to research. But we bought these. They're called malanga. If you go to like a Hispanic store, we bought the root, like the tuber, from the store. We actually bought another two. We've been letting it sit on the counter until it kind of started sprouting, and it sprouts little nubs. So now we just planted those in pots, but these we did a while ago. So that eventually we can dig up and eat the root vegetable, similar to how you would cook a potato. So our goal back here is to continue planting stuff, to see how it does back here. Tropical things that like tropical hot climates, and it's very wet and marshy back here, so we don't have to water anything. As you can see, the seeds haven't germinated, so maybe this area is not good for planting seeds, but we'll have to see, because since we are just now getting all the rain, the seeds might start germinating now. But for now, everything that we've planted that was already grown has done really good. So just wanted to give you guys a 1 month update on how everything was looking. We'll definitely have to keep coming back here and trying different things out and tracking the progress on what we do have planted already. So, and hopefully some of these seeds do start popping up, because I think pumpkins, I bet Seminole pumpkins would do good back here. But we just planted like the regular jack-o'-lantern pumpkins, but I don't see any of that popping up yet. But we'll come back probably in another month and see, and give you guys an update on that. So that is it for this video. Thanks for watching, and hope it helps you out too if you're trying to garden in a thick wooded area like this, because we will be keeping track of everything we plant back here and seeing what does good here in zone 9B, Central Florida. So that is what we got going back there as of now, and our goal in the future is to turn it into a tropical food forest back there that provides food for us year round, and we don't have to really take care of the plants. We don't have to water anything. So that is our ultimate goal. So far so good. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.